Online gaming landscape is the sleeping giant of India's content sector. This sector has witnessed phenomenal growth in the last few years. And I'm joined by Jaliti Suruthi, senior consultant at Redseer, who's an expert on this sector for a rapid fire session. So Jaliti, the first question will be, how is India from a gaming industry perspective and how is it evolving in terms of user base growth, monetization and market size?
Abhishek, India has always had a very large potential for gaming, given our young demographic and social construct. We currently estimate about 450 million gamers in India, which might go as high as 700 million in the next 5 years. The sector is rapidly evolving almost on a month-on-month basis, with various forms of monetization growing at par with traditional sources like real money games. Based on these, the current market size would be somewhere around 2.2 billion, which may go as high as 7 billion US dollars by 2026.
Okay. What are some of the trends that were brought about or accelerated by the pandemic?
The pandemic-led lockdowns boosted a sudden growth in gaming, which is now becoming an accepted form of entertainment for which people are willing to pay. Most games and platforms saw a sharp rise in the users during lockdown months, which has more or less retained and resulted in a sustainable growth of user base over time. The pandemic also saw a growth in new gaming formats, with social gaming coming to prominence, which was probably caused by the experimentation by new non-traditional gamer profiles. Simultaneously, the more conventional gamers also evolved into newer formats, such as hyper-casual games and esports. Overall, the strong impact that the lockdowns had on the social life of people has actually boosted gaming in India further and democratized it.
Okay. What are some global trends that you see coming into India in the years to come? How do you see the various gaming segments evolve in the next few years?
Well, as we were discussing, new formats and segments of games are being adopted, which will surely modify the composition of gaming. Although, given India's potential and vast size, formats like real money gaming and casual gaming should continue to enjoy the high growth that they've had. Although newer formats like hyper-casual, social games, esports would also join in. Esports as a format to view and stream games is very nascent right now, but might become very, very attractive in the coming future.
How would you comment on the paying characteristics of gamers in the online gaming sectors? How do you see this changing going forward?
The last 2 years has continuously seen upwards of 40 to 50% first-time payers for several gaming platforms. Users are now accepting to pay for games and even in-app purchases. Presently, the average spend is around $16 per gamer, while among RMG users, this is as high as $40 per gamer. The current estimate of paying gamers is around 96 million gamers in India, which could triple itself by 2026. The increased propensity to pay stems from the easy means of payment, apart from the willingness and acceptance to purchase. This enables an overall evolution of various monetization methods like in-app purchases, and overall, the sector moves towards maturity.
What is your view on real money games and how do you think would its growth be?
Real money games have always been the backbone of Indian gaming revenue, and they would remain to be so. Real money monetization methods are fundamental in nature and shall continue to enjoy the importance and growth that they have.
What do you see as the future of India gaming?
Oh, it's very exciting. India gaming is a sunrise sector, and it has just opened its doors. Indians are maturing as gamers with definite gaming choices and emerging as paying gamers. We, as a young social country, are poised to support the gaming industry, provided new exciting games are continuously being fed to the market. With the evolution of gamers, the expectations should also rise. And we can be very confident when we state that if these expectations are met, there is no reason to deny that we can capture the potential. Overall, a lot of positive outlook should encompass this extremely exciting industry.
Thank you so much for your time, Jaladi. For more insights on this rapidly growing sector, don't forget to check out Redseer's report on India's online gaming landscape, the link for which is given in the description below. Thank you.